Basics of Islam. 1. Introduction to Islam. Definition. Meaning of the word Islam. Submission to the will of Allah. Followers. Who are Muslims? Origin, brief history, and the role of Prophet Muhammad. Sacred texts. Quran and Hadith. 2. Core beliefs of Islam. Tawheed, monotheism. Belief in one God, Allah. Prophets. Role of Prophet Muhammad as the last prophet and other prophets, e.g., Abraham, Moses, Jesus. Holy books. Quran, and prior scriptures like the Torah, Psalms, and Gospel. Angels. Their role in conveying messages and executing Allah's will. Day of Judgment. Accountability and the afterlife. Qadr. Divine decree, belief in destiny and free will. 3. The 5 pillars of Islam. Shahada, faith, declaration of faith in Allah and Prophet Muhammad. Salat, prayer, 5 daily prayers and their significance. Zakat, charity, obligation to give a portion of wealth to those in need. Sawm, fasting, observing fasts during the month of Ramadan. Hajj, pilgrimage to Mecca for those who are able. 4. Islamic practices and ethics. Daily worship. Prayers, supplications, and remembrance of Allah. Halal and haram. Guidelines for permissible and prohibited actions. Family and community. Importance of family values and community life. Moral conduct. Emphasis on honesty, compassion, and justice. 5. Islamic festivals. Eid al-Fitr, celebration after Ramadan. Eid al-Adha, commemoration of Prophet Abraham's sacrifice. 6. Diversity in Islam. Sunni and Shia branches. Overview of the main sections. Cultural expressions of Islam across the world. 7. Misconceptions about Islam. Addressing stereotypes and misunderstandings. Role of education in promoting interfaith harmony. 8. Conclusion. Summary of Islam's universal message of peace, submission, and faith. Encouragement to explore Islam further through authentic sources.